Instagram message request not showing. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Instagram. So if you're not seeing message request, click on your profile icon at the bottom. Click on the three bars at the top right corner and then click on settings. At the search bar, type messages. Select the option that says messages and you'll see other people section. Click on others on Instagram. And if the don't receive request is ticked on, make sure message request is the one that is ticked on. Next thing you can do is open your Play Store, type Instagram at the search bar, and if yours is saying update or mine is saying open, click on update to update the app. If this doesn't work, force stop your app. So long press on Instagram, click on app info, and you'll see this force stop option at the bottom. Click on that and then reopen Instagram. So this is how to fix Instagram message request not showing. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.